Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So today I am going to be tackling something that I should have done but did not do at the beginning. And matter of fact, I need to go grab something else already. Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So today I am going to be tackling something that I should have done but did not do at the beginning. And matter of fact, I need to go grab something else already. So we're gonna be working on the greenhouse. Remember I was telling you guys about my shelving, and I refused, okay? I refused to pay the price, to be honest. I did go on Amazon. To price, yeah, I need this. I did go on Amazon to price the shelving, and I figured I could spend that money elsewhere. And I'm really thinking about like repairing just that back fence. I'm pushing the fence back just a little bit, so I need to dig all those up. But anyways, I was thinking, since I was so-called trying to save myself some money by buying these shelves in the long run, save myself some money and time. But guess what? I already had shelves, right? So what I did was I just decided to keep the boards. I decided to keep these boards off the floor that I had in the old greenhouse. Most of the time I have a problem, not so much with the shelf down below, but the top shelf, because the top shelf normally have the most weight. And since the top shelf has the most weight, I was like, you know what, just put these boards on top. You know, these boards ain't going to buck like that with the support of the shelf. So I sat the boards on top of the shelf. But it's not secure, so I'm going to be securing it. So what I'm going to be doing is unboxing this right here. This is a Vivar product review. Normally, you guys, I just love power tools, and this is what we're going to be unboxing today to fix this problem. So if you guys have these plastic shelves, this is the deal. If you guys have these plastic shelves, and you already know that they do buck, okay? They do bend or whatnot, okay? Normally in the middle shelves, or definitely the bottom shelf doesn't bend because it's on the ground. But that middle shelf don't normally bend because it's never that much weight. But we do tend to sit more weight on the top. And if you really want to save these shelves, use these boards, okay? Find some boards. This is actually patio board or decking board, basically decking board. And I basically just took these decking boards and placed them right on top. But now we're going to secure them to these shelves. So as you guys can see, you guys see that? We about to secure them, all right? So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do this unboxing. Now this is a Vivar tool. I just love Vivar products. And honey, when I tell you, they don't be playing with their packaging. Not at all. All right, so let's see what we got. Because I needed this more than you guys think. You would think I already have a whole bunch of stuff like this, but I don't. All right, so here is the Vivar product right here. Uh-oh. Yeah, I just want to lean this over, don't I? All right, so here is the Tough Tool half price Vivar, good old orange, okay? All right, so here we go. We're going to pull this out. I mean, Vivar don't be playing with the packaging. All right, here we go. All right. Let's set that there. All right, let's get this open, because we're going to secure this. So save these. Save your shelves. Save your shelves. When I first put this together, I was so skeptical. I was like, it should work. And it does work, okay? Now, you cannot have to secure it, but I'm going to secure mine so that I definitely know for sure that it's going to basically test the time. Because this board is going to be sitting onto this, right? But once we secure it to it, it's not going to move or shift or bob or weave, okay? So we're going to secure that. All right, let's see. Put this down. All right, so here is the V-Bar product. I'm hoping that it's gonna be charged so I can use it right now. All right, let's see what they got. Oh. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at all these goodies. Look at all those Allen wrenches. We got some Allen wrenches. Let's put that in here. That's back. Where'd it go? Allen wrench. My stuff tried to fall out all over the place. Alright. This goes here. Uh-oh. Let's see. The stuff came loose, y'all. I guess they shook it up in shipment. How does this go back in here? Oh, I see. Alright, you go here. Alright, so we got that. Let's see what they got. Alright, I'll probably put that phone back in there. I think I should put that phone back. Alright, so let's see what they have, y'all. Look at this. Let's get in here. See all of the products that comes in this kit. I am absolutely happy with this. So it has a wire cutter. I really need these. Alright. Then my husband, you guys, look. My husband don't have to complain that I'm touching his stuff. Baby. Okay, he don't got to baby me. He gonna be like, okay, you got your own stuff. Look, I'm like, I ain't touch your stuff, baby. I got my own stuff. I ain't mess with your tools, but I'm gonna mess with him either way it go. Even though I have this, you guys, I'm still gonna mess with his stuff. Okay, just to let y'all know. I'm still gonna do it anyways. But look at this. Look at that. Uh-oh, I'm tearing up stuff. All right, hold up. Let me move it. All right, look at this kit. Look at this kit. Yes, it has the whole kit and caboodle in here. Razors, box cutters, basically. It has a very cutesy hammer. Look at the hammer, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna tell me nothing. I'll be up here tit-tatting on everything around here. All right, we got a needle nose right here. Oh, look at this, y'all. Look at this. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Let me see something. That would be nice if they had another one, though. Or like a secondary blade in here. That would be good. So I won't have to go get another one when this one don't work anymore or get dull. Let's see. I mean, look at all of this goodies in here. We got screwdrivers. We got a screwdriver. We got a flathead. Look at that. Look at that. We can even add right here. All right. So drill holes when you need to drill some holes. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see what else in here. Put my stuff back. All right. How nice, you guys. Y'all can't tell me this is not nice, but this is what I need out of here today. Let's see if we got some charge. Let's see if we got some charge. I'm hoping this it has some charge because I want to use it today. Yes. Yeah. Yes, charge. All right, so we're gonna be working on this today. All right, so let's see what I need. So the screws that I'm gonna be using is a star. I need a star. Let's see what they have. Star, do they have a star? Yes, let's see which one I'm gonna need. Perfect. So I have the T20, the T20 star. That's what I'm gonna be needing. All right, so we put that back. Let me grab that foam, put that foam back in here. It even, you guys come with screws. All right, let's put that back. It's so cute. It comes with everything you need, like, so that you don't have to struggle. We don't like struggling. All right, get out of my way. All right, so like I said, we don't like to struggle, so this is perfect. So if you don't have many tools or things like that, this would be perfect just to have just this one little kit. You just need this one kit. You just need this one kit. Especially if you're a person that just have minor things that you might just need to put together or anything like that. This is all in one pretty much, unless you want, you know, some bigger tools like saws and stuff like that. But this is an all-in-one. Like anytime you need to just fix something in your house, something that needs to be tightened, like a door or anything like that, this is nice. This is very nice. Okay, and I'll leave this in the description box. All right, so I will leave this in the description box if you guys are interested. But what we need to do is just basically just tighten this up around our drill. And what I have here to do this is decking. These are decking screws, okay? These are decking screws. I want to make sure that once it screws into here, it stays. So what I'm going to be doing is just basically going straight through this, through the wood into the plastic. Here we go. All right, so there. We got that one in, and we're going to keep going. I'm just going to basically make sure that this is actually staying in contact with the table. All right, so I want you guys to see what I'm doing. All right, so basically I'm taking the decking screws and I'm getting it in contact. Getting in there. Okay, so we just making sure that it's screwed into it. That is what we're going to be doing. I just want to make sure that I am securing this to take this one off. See, this is going to secure it to this plastic. Now, I absolutely love this kit, but there's one thing that I'm not okay with this kit, and let's just go ahead and throw it out there. All right, I wish that, let me see, it hasn't wore down that much, but I wish that they were just a tad bit stronger than they are. I feel like with what I'm about to be doing with it, I probably will wear the brakes off of it. But I do have extras of these, but you can always purchase these. They're really reasonable. But all in all, I feel like it's handy, it's small, it's petite. It's very petite, and I like the fact that it does come with so many different units, you guys, even down to a freaking wire tester, okay, is in this kit. So all in all, I really, really love this kit. It's just perfect for, you know, everyday use as far as like small projects. I don't recommend this for big, massive projects, but definitely for small projects like this. But I wouldn't want you to use this for a big project, like how I'm about to be doing a fence, or something that requires a lot of work. Like I would just say, a lot of work. Now this will be fine for just regular screwing. So like, say for instance, you putting together a greenhouse or a raised bed, perfect, or a shelf. This is perfect. It's not going to eat up your bits. But if you're going to do tasks like this on a mass scale, I recommend that you get better bits. These bits, which I'm not going to complain, man. That's the only problem I'm having is 2, 4, 6, 8. You get 10 of these, okay? 10 different sizes. Otherwise, now everything else looks really sturdy, you guys. Otherwise than that, this is the only thing that I see that I have a little bit of an issue with. Otherwise than that, the kit stands alone. I mean, everything else is fine. Everything else is fine. I mean, you can just tell everything else is made really good, but I'm worried about these bits if you do big scale projects. But anyway, thank you, V-Bar, for reaching out to me to try out power tools. Who doesn't like power tools? Either way, I am floating on air. I love any power tool. I like to. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification so you can be notified when I do upload a video. And like I always tell you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. See you guys in the next one. I'm going to head and finish up. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye-bye for now. Plus, you guys, I forgot to say this because I skipped a step, and that's on me because I thought about it. I should have pre-drilled the holes first so I wouldn't have did this. Can you guys see? It's not bad, but I should have just pre-drilled the holes. Otherwise, not. I was good to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye.